back. It's Keyless Studio, and I'm here with my friend Kane that almost hit me with a snowball. I'm hitting him back. Okay. Yeah, we're going on my trampoline. One second, coming on the end. Okay. Yeah, we're going on my trampoline. It's been snowing like crazy. I don't even know how. There's so much snow. And legit, we were on here for like a couple minutes. I front flip off and I almost hurt my back a lot. Yeah. Kane Rocks, Kane, you want to shout yourself out? This is my friend Kane. Shout yourself out.
Yeah. Visit my channel, Kane Rocks 1.
Kane Rocks 1. Sub, like, hit his comments right now.
The logo for it is blue and it says, what does it say? It says, video games ruin my life. Good thing I have 2 more.
Ooh, we out here. Okay, now he's going to double balance me, okay? Okay, ready? Yeah, let's double balance.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, I thought you threw your phone.
Okay, ready? I'm going to do some insane tricks. Ready, Kane? You want to record? Hold it like this. Okay, ready? And then we're going to shout out to Keyless Studios. Sub, like, comment right now. Keyless Studios.
And Kane Rocks 1.
And Kane Rocks 1. Sub, like, comment, hit the comments. I don't care.
Please sub me.
What? And this kid right here been singing "I'm in love with the Coco" for like since 6:30. It's like 10 right now. Crap, yeah. We should do this at like 12 a.m. or 3 a.m. Okay, yeah. Go to my channel. He might do some videos on his channel. Kane Rocks 1. Subscribe, hit some comments. And what should I call me? Someone? Should I jump the tramp?
Hey, next time you come over, you wanna make a video?
Sure, let's go. Okay, let's see something sick. Do it for the vlog. You can get some subs
Do it
today.
for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine.
He's obsessed with Vine though. Okay, go. Do it. What was that? Oh, W, watch it.
I fell.
Ready? This is for...
I just know it.
Okay,
I'll
let's see.
retry it.
He's learning to balance. He's never... I did tricks on the trampoline.
What?
Before, so he's learning. Nice, bomb job. Ready? Okay. Should I just hug with my camera? Okay, this camera's like huge. It's like holding up like this barely. It's huge. And I might hit my head on the front flip doing it. Okay, let's go. Don't bounce, okay?
Yeah.
I'm just kind of sketched off because, no, I want to use it myself. Okay, ready? We're going to get 2 scenes. I'm going to do a flip with this, and he will record while I'm doing a flip. Okay, ready? Oh. You're terrible at recording. Okay. Yeah, now he's going to record while I do some flips. Okay. Oh, don't drop it.
Oh.
Don't hit the red button either. Ready? I'm going to flip this way. Oh, that's ow. These are like rocks. These are like metal rocks. I'm going to throw some at you. Tell me if it hurt. Did it hurt?
Hmm?
Did it hurt?
What?
One second, let me get a bigger one.
Channel.
Did this hurt?
Oh!
See, I told you the rock. How does that feel?
Right in the nards.
Nice. Shred the nards. Oh, it's raining! Ah! Let's go. Yeah, did you guys see that? Okay, yeah. Now, what are we going to do now? Are you okay?
Hit my nards.
Okay, now you're going to record me. I'm going to jump off the trampoline. Like a psychopath. Ready? What shot? I already jumped off that side. Okay, I'm going to try this side.
I'll be standing here, okay?
Okay. I'm just going to do like a top. Oh, it's so deep.
Yeah.
I'm rolling the snow for life. Okay, now I'm probably going to go inside. No, fam, I'm staying
Good.
here. Okay, let's go.
He's still here.
This is how you get on the trampoline. Professionals, this is how professionals do it. Crap, I'm going to roll off. Oh, no! Oh, that's how professionals get it off and off. I'm stuck now.
Okay, I'll help you. Gotta
Ah, you
get
got
the
in my
good
eye.
angle. Gotta get the good angle.
Okay. Yeah, that was some entertaining stuff.
Oh no!
First try and
Ah.
stop right now. Oh.
It's shattered and more snow.
Sorry, Hal.
I gotta put my hood back on.
Yeah, okay, let me see the vlog. go one more shout out. Go to Kane Rocks 1, subscribe, hit some comments. Okay, it's raining again. Okay, how do you think we already? I want you to kick that tree as hard as you can.
Watch my Halo video.
Okay, yeah, he loves Halo. Shorty, I want you to hold this right here up.
It's Halo 3.
Halo 3. You guys like that? Hold this up like.
It's 4 different.
Hold this up right here, and then I'm gonna kick this tree and see. You can wait. Or I know how to make it work. Okay. Wait, no, you gotta sound like that too. Coco. Wait.
It's just, Ashton.
There's snow in here. Hey, look at that side.
Shake it. I'm gonna stand under it, and I'm gonna have your phone, and I'm gonna be like, "Whoa, I think it might be a blizzard." Shake it. Oh no, a blizzard!
That's cold. Yeah. Don't forget to
Yeah.
drop a like right now. Sorry. Turn your volumes up right now. No, turn your volume down a minute because we're gonna be streaming. Go
Follow
to
my
Kane
Facebook.
Rocks. Look at this dude.
Follow me at Kane Hilliard.
Oh, bro, that was sick. Okay, we got it. I'm gonna do one last trick, and I want you to hold it. Ready? You ready?
Okay.
Actually, two more. Okay. I'm gonna do one. Stop. Why does it keep dropping?
It's a blizzard out here.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna do
Red
one more
light.
trick. Two more tricks actually. I just had a shower,
Tree.
really hot shower. Now my hair's gonna be sticking up all night long, and I'm gonna have terrible bed head. Ready? Do a knee flip. Oh, we're done. Oh. Okay. Stop. Okay.
Now I'm gonna try and do.
No, one more. Okay.
Okay, here.
Ready?
Wait. I want to see if I can do one. Okay.
I wanna do this.
Oh, 6 minutes.
Oh, ow. Drop like.
Okay, let me try one.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Hell.
Let me try one.